Hello and welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers, and if you haven't subscribed, don't know how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding, hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for all your good comments. Hope I've been getting back to them the best of my knowledge. You know, Mr. Bell cook on the stove, cook outside, cook in the power XL. Some things I cook on the stove, you can cook in the power XL. Only take a few minutes. Just about everything you cook in this power XL, you can cook on the stove. Today, I will be cooking in this power XL. I'll be doing something different today in this power XL. Today, I'll be doing some sauteing some vegetables today. Since it's getting close to Thanksgiving, I thought I'd throw a nice little sauteed vegetable in there today. You might want to have it for Thanksgiving or either for Christmas. So today my ingredients is, today I'll be using some Parmesan cheese. I'll be using some garlic Parmesan. I'll be using some lemon pepper, and that's a half a teaspoon of the lemon pepper, half a teaspoon of the Parmesan, and a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a half a teaspoon of lemon pepper. Also, I'll be using some half a teaspoon of seasoning salt. Also, I'll be using 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and I'll be using 2 teaspoons of regular butter. I'll be using a half a cauliflower. As you see, I cut it up nice and good. It's in nice chunks and everything. I'll be using some mushrooms. I cut up 2 of them already. This right here gonna be the third one I'm gonna cut up. As you see, it's nice and big. It's washed off and everything. Also, I'll be using some pineapple. I cut this pineapple up myself, and I'll be using a third of cabbage. As you see, I got it cut up nice and good and diced and everything. I'll be sauteing all this together. It'll be coming out so good and delicious. I'll be using a little onion, and I had some breast turkey, so I'm gonna throw this breast turkey in there, which I diced up nice and small. As you see, I'll be sauteing all this up together and everything. Plus, Mr. Bell gonna throw something a little extra on there. After I saute it, I'm gonna put the top back on and bake it for 10 minutes. Sprinkle it out so it'll be extra good and crispy. So for all my first time viewers, thank you for all your good comments and everything you've been leaving, and thank you for subscribing to Mr. Bell Kitchen. For the ones that don't know, this top right here come off. That's all you had to do is 1, 2, and lift it up and set it to the side. I want to be using this top right now as this minute. I'm going to put it to the side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move some of this stuff out my way, and I'll be right back. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this on saute. Set it on saute. And the temperature I'm going to leave as 350. And I'm going to set it for minutes. I'm going to put it on. I'm going to just put it on 35 minutes. And I'm going to press start. Okay, that's going to be circulating, getting nice, good, and hot and everything. While it's doing that, I'm just going to put my butter in there. Just like that. Put it right in there. And let that melt. So I'm going to be right back. So what I'm going to do, it's nice and good and hot as you see. I put the camera closer so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to put these onions in here and just saute them up a little bit. Just like that. And next, I'm going to put my cauliflower in there. Mix that all up. I'm going to just stir that up. Get it nice and good. And I'm going to put my cabbage in there. Then I'll mix all this up nice and good. I don't want it to get too soft, so I'm just going to mix it up and let it get nice and good. Throw my meat in there. Mix it up. Just like that. Mix it up together. This right here is going to be delicious. This will be a nice little dish for Thanksgiving, a little side. If you want to put turkey in it, you can. You can just use the vegetables with just the vegetables. It's also good with just the vegetables. Now I'm going to put my mushrooms in. And I cut up everything just about the same way and everything. Look at that. That's looking good already. Let that cook just like that. I'm going to just throw my pineapples in there. Mix it up. Mix it all up together. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to start putting my seasoning in. I'm going to just start putting it in just like this. Just sprinkle it all over. Cayenne pepper in there. This right here is going to make it taste so good. The black pepper. Seasoning salt. I want to put it all over so it'll be nice and good. Put my little lemon pepper in. What I'm going to do, I'm going to stir this up for a minute. Oh, yeah. Looking good. You want this to be nice and good. So what I'm going to do, for all my first time viewers and everything, it comes with a lid. And you wonder what you're going to do with the lid. So to let this get just a little bit softer, I'm going to put the lid on for a few minutes. And you have two holes on this lid. You don't want to take it off like this and get the water drip all in the back. So whenever you take it off, you want to kind of put the two holes in the front, put it on, let it sit for a few minutes. When you take it off, you take it off like this to the side. Don't take it off to the back side because everything will drip. So I'm gonna let that sit on for a few minutes and I'll be back. Okay, what I'm going to do is spend a couple minutes. I'm going to take this top off. As you see, it's looking good. Set it to the side. I want to mix this up one time. Looking nice and good. Everything's looking good as you see. I'm going to stir it up like this. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to get it a little brown. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press cancel. As you see, I have 21 minutes now. I only use a few minutes. So I'm going to press cancel. The reason why I press cancel because now I'm finna put the top on. But before I put the top on, I'm gonna just take a little brown sugar. So it'll be nice and brown. Sprinkle it on there like that. Right here, this right here is gonna be a nice, good vegetable dessert. You can put brown sugar on it if you want to. It's up to you. You can just use the vegetables. It's up to you if you want to use it. But me, I'm gonna put the brown sugar on it. It's my recipe. So, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my Parmesan cheese on top of it. Just like this. I'm just going to put it all over. Put that Parmesan cheese on it. Like that. Put it on just like this. This right here is going to be delicious. Put a little more. Okay, as you see, it's looking nice and good. I'm going to tilt it a little so you can see. That's looking nice and good. Nice and good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this top on. Set the top down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on bake. Put it on, set it for bake and leave it. And I'm going to set the temperature for 350. Set it for 350. And I'm just going to set the minutes for 10 minutes. I'm not going to use all of it. Put it for 10 minutes because it's going to be on preheat. By the time it's on preheat, it might just finna make the top brown. We'll be checking it out to see. And I'm going to press start. As you see, it's on bake and it say preheat. So since it's already cooked and everything, by the time it preheat and everything, it probably be brown. So I'm just put 10 minutes and we're going to be checking this out together. I'm going to raise the top up. Okay, I'm going to raise this top up. We're going to take a look at it while it's on preheat. As you see, it's coming out real good. Don't worry about that bell. Ding, ding, ding. It'll cut itself off. So I'm going to put it down for a little while longer and let it finish. Okay, we're going to take a look at it. We see it's nice and brown. So this right here is done. It's good. We're going to take this out. I'm going to press cancel. And it didn't get a chance to go to the minutes because it's preheating and heat is on it. So this is done. I'm going to take it out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a little taste of it and see how it come out and everything. I'm going to just get it just like this and get me some out of a little bit of everything. Put it right over here. Give me a little bit of everything. I'm going to try to get some broccoli, some like cauliflower, some mushrooms, just a little bit of everything. Put it right here. And that way I can get it. Put it on there. Get a little pineapple. We're going to taste this to see how it come out. It's hot, so yeah. Tastes good. You can taste the pineapple. You can taste the cauliflower. You can taste the hotness in it from the cayenne pepper and everything. The sweet with the hot. So that is good. As cooking with the bells, we did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Ring that bell, and you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for watching.